Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp Messenger on your Wear OS devices or any of the new Samsung Galaxy watches. It's a very easy process, but you do need to be patient because it does take a little bit of time. So the very first thing we need to do is actually join the beta program for WhatsApp. And as you can see, I'm already a beta tester. And how to achieve that? Also very easy. You just need to go into your favorite browser and search for WhatsApp beta, and just click on the very first link where it's play.google.com. Now, as you can see, I'm already a tester, but for you, it would say become a beta tester. So you want to click on that, and then you want to go back to your Google Play, or you can just click on this link. It says download it on Google Play, and once you do that, you will have to update your device. It would say update your app. It would say update it here. Once you update, it'll say beta program in process, so it'll ask you to wait, and you have to wait until it says you are a beta tester. And once you've done that, then you would be able to see this option here. Click on that, and then just click on your watch, and now it will be installing that on my watch. Hey guys, sorry, I forgot to mention that if you're having issue through your Play Store installing WhatsApp, even after becoming a beta, sometimes it may not show you an option to install it on your watch. Just notice that. So you can actually do it directly from your watch once it's already installed. Just hold on a sec. I'm just punching in my code. Alright, and you want to do is you want to go on Play Store on your watch, click on that, and then here, and you can just search for not records. Just trying to type. There you go. Just typing WhatsApp. Search for that. Click on that, and then you can just click install from here. So, but you still have to be a beta tester before you would be able to do that. So yeah, so if you have an issue directly through Play Store, just try it this way. All right guys, have a good one.